Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best 7-Way Trailer Plug Tester is probably one of the most important tools for safe and reliable trailer towing, ensuring your brake lights, turn signals, running lights and other electrical systems are functioning correctly, saving you from potential accidents and roadside headaches. This handy device quickly diagnoses problems, preventing costly repairs and ensuring a smooth towing experience, whether you're hauling a camper, boat, or utility trailer. Number 5. IPA 7865L Circuit Chaser. It simplifies troubleshooting electrical issues while you're on the road. This convenient tool helps you quickly identify and fix problems. It comes with an extra jumper connector for added versatility. This allows for more comprehensive testing and support in various scenarios. The LEDs clearly show the functionality of each circuit. This eliminates guesswork and provides reliable visual cues for accurate testing. Its wing grip makes it easy to remove from the connector. This ensures a user-friendly and efficient testing experience. This tool is designed to test turn signals, hazard lights, brake lights, and more. It's the perfect solution for quick and easy electrical diagnostics. It's designed for 7-way round pin tractor trailer connectors. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of vehicles and trailers. What we like. It's designed for convenient roadside troubleshooting. The included extra connector offers versatility for various testing scenarios. If you need a reliable tool for quick diagnosis of electrical issues on the go, this is the one for you. What people say. It makes diagnosing lighting issues a snap. This trailer circuit chaser is highly accurate and efficient, making troubleshooting electrical issues quick and straightforward. It's user-friendly, reliable, and essential for maintaining trailer lighting systems. I love the fact you can test both male and female connections. It's simple to use plug and play. Number 4. MAXXHAUL 50155 Trailer Wiring Tester. This 7-way blade trailer wiring tester makes troubleshooting easy. Simply plug it in and check the LED lights to identify any issues. It quickly pinpoints problems in your tow vehicles or trailers' wiring. No more guessing. Its durable construction ensures it'll withstand various weather conditions, providing years of reliable service. With its simple plug-and-read design, you can efficiently test your trailer lights, saving time and money. Its compact size allows for easy storage in your vehicle or toolbox, ensuring it's always ready when needed. The tester clearly shows the status of your backup lights, brake controller, auxiliary power, and turn signals. Each LED corresponds to a specific circuit. What we like. Its straightforward design makes testing a breeze. You can easily pinpoint issues in your tow vehicle or trailer wiring. If you value ease of use and long-lasting durability, this tester is a great choice. What people say. When we connected our Jeep tow vehicle to our motorhome, the taillights worked, but brake lights and turn signals did not work. So, I ordered this device and confirmed it's getting no electricity to those lights in question. This helped me positively determine an electrical issue, and when the appropriate fuse was replaced, the brake and turn signal lights started working and continue to work just fine. Great for testing power of each leg of the receptacle. You can tell by the brightness of the lights whether you're getting good current, weak current, or if it is blinking other than the blinker and flasher lights. Tells you that you have intermittent power on that terminal. Pretty useful if you are having trouble with trailer lights. Easy, accurate and low cost. Easy to insert, found all my connections working properly, and it was easily worth the low cost for a peace of mind. I just received this tester today and immediately put it into action, and it performed great. I highly recommend this tester to check your 7-pin connector. Number 3. Ram Pro RV Trailer Tester. This handy tool is a lifesaver when you need to quickly check your trailer's wiring. It simplifies a potentially complex task, saving you time and frustration. It features both 7-blade and 4-pin connectors, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of trailers and vehicles. You're covered no matter the setup. Built to last, it's made with high-quality materials for reliable performance. It's designed to withstand regular use and the rigors of various environments. The intuitive design makes it incredibly easy to use, even for those unfamiliar with trailer wiring. You'll be testing circuits in no time. Perfect for garages, workshops, or anyone who needs to troubleshoot trailer wiring issues. It's a must-have for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. What we like. It boasts both 7 blades and 4 pins for broader compatibility. This tester is built to last and is incredibly user-friendly. If you need a high-quality, versatile tester for various applications, this is a top contender. What people say. No need for test light or multimeter. This makes it quick and easy to check your tow vehicle's plug to make sure you have power to all pins. The Ram Pro confirmed that my turn signals and brakes were properly sending a signal to the 7-way connector. Tested, it works. Has both ends on it. Feels very sturdy. Feels well made, like it will last a long time. Doesn't rattle. Snug fit in trailer plug. Number 2. 7-way trailer plug tester. It's so easy to use. Just plug it in, turn on your lights, and check the LEDs. No tools or batteries are needed. Built tough with nylon and copper, it resists water, heat, wear, and corrosion. This ensures it will last for years to come. It tests taillights, brake lights, turn signals, reverse lights, and power. You'll know exactly which lights are working. It works with almost any 7-way trailer plug on SUVs, trucks, boats, and more. No need for multiple testers. Its small size makes it perfect for keeping in your glove box or toolbox. Always have it on hand when you need it. We're confident in its quality. That's why it comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It features a simple plug-and-play design for effortless testing. Its durable construction ensures a long lifespan. If you need a tester that's compatible with most vehicles and built to withstand the test of time, this is for you. What people say. Works as intended and figured out the wiring issue I had. Worked great to help determine a bad wire. This device makes wiring diagnosing on trucks and trailers a breeze. It stays in my trucks, very useful. Number 1. TrueMod 7-way tester. Testing your trailer lights is now a breeze. Simply plug it into your tow vehicle, turn on the lights, and check the LEDs. It's easy to see which circuits are working and which ones aren't. Bright LEDs and clear labels make troubleshooting a snap. This tester is designed for plug-and-play convenience. No extra tools or equipment are required for testing. It's built to withstand harsh conditions. This tester is weather, corrosion, and impact resistant for long-lasting use. Its compact design makes it easy to store in your vehicle. Keep it handy and always be prepared for testing. With its nickel-plated copper terminals and continuity test capabilities, you can trust it to provide accurate results every time. What we like. Testing your trailer lights is quick and easy with this tester. The clear LED indicators allow for immediate identification of any problems. If you prioritize simplicity and efficiency in your testing process, this is the perfect option. What people say. As a tester for the wiring, it does this job well. I purchased to solve the issue with my new vehicle and a bike rack installed. The backup sensors would detect the bike rack and apply the brakes. With this installed, the sensors are disabled as if pulling a trailer. Problem solved. I installed an aftermarket 7-pin trailer and controller into my '85 Bronco. It didn't have all the standard wiring in place for such a kit, originally only had a 4-pin, so I had to run a lot of it myself. This tester did exactly that, and helped me verify that all of the features worked as they should, and the brake controller was applying the brake properly. Gave me some great peace of mind. Works great and doesn't require hooking up the camper to confirm your wiring. Plus it lets you know you're getting 12V power to hitch, something that's not easy to tell by just hooking up the camper. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.